Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to open a Chase bank account online. So let's get straight into the video. First, we're going to talk about eligibility and requirements. So there are a couple of requirements for to open a Chase bank account online. Now, the first requirement is age. So you got to be at least 18 years old to open a Chase bank account online. The second, of course, is residency. So you got to be a U.S. citizen to or resident alien to open a Chase bank account. That is, you got to be living in the U.S. or you got to be a U.S. citizen to open this account. Now, the third is also identification. So you got to provide a valid identification, such as a driver's license, or it could be a passport. But you're gonna need that to open this account. So assuming you got all of these criteria met, let's go straight into opening a Chase bank account online. First you want to do is to visit the Chase website. So you got to go to Chase website, and then you click on open an account at the top right corner, and then just select the type of account that you want to open. That could be a checking account, it could be savings account, or a certificate of deposit. Now what you want to do is to enter your personal information. So just provide your personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and of course your social security number, and then just verify your identity by answering security questions or providing additional documentations. And after that, you just need to fund your account. So you got to fund your account by transferring money from an existing bank account or by mailing a check. And then of course, once you're done with all that, just review and agree to the terms and conditions and submit your application, and then just wait for Chase to review that and then approve it. Once you have that, the account will be set up. Now these the documents you're going to require to set up this account. Of course, you're going to need your government issued identification card. It could be a driver's license or a passport, and also you're going to need a social security number, so you got to make sure you have that. And of course, you might also need the proof of address. So you're going to need to provide proof of address, such as a utility bill or lease agreement. So you're going to need that to open the account. As long as you have all that and follow the steps that I gave you guys just now, you're going to open the account successfully without any issues. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.